Stuff's definitely starting to come apart. The marina office, I can't see it anymore. I don't know if it's still there because I can just see a little bit of maybe one of the roof. I can't believe the water that's flowing. It's like a river coming across into the marina from the back side. It's 12 o'clock and it's likely blowing 150 mile an hour right now. The hotel front office, I think, is almost started to tear apart. There's rivers of water coming from somewhere, and it looks like it's too much for rain. I don't see the marina office anymore. All the coconut trees have snapped off, and I'm glad I'm on the second floor, sandwiched between the third and the ground floor. We must be close to the eye. We must be close to the eye because it's starting to get really, really bright. Really bright. Eye's on its way, the wind's dropping. Look at that. Open ocean coming across from the parking lot, the street, to the marina. This is Marsh Harbour coming through from the harbor. In Marsh Harbour, the marina, all the downtown Marsh Harbour is flowing through Great Abaco Beach Resort out to the Sea of Abaco. The eye is here. There's Marsh Harbour flowing into the Sea of Abaco through the Great Abaco Beach Resort. This must be the surge coming ashore now. I see all kinds of furniture and everything that must have come from downtown. This must be the surge, all the surge water. This was the Conkin and the dive shop, the Blue Hole. This is right across from Iggy Biggy. George's building. This is what's left of the resort. There's the club. And there's some of the boats that were in the marina.